Hi everybody, good afternoon. This is Jean here, Jean Truelove from Truelove Quilts for You. I have just received my quilt kit from the Fabric Hut. As you know, I had done a quilt by the Fabric Hut, who had graciously sent me a kit. I've already sent the kit along to Holly, who's won. Jacqueline has won a kit in Australia. So again, this is a giveaway from the Fabric Hut for 2 kits, and then I'm going to be demonstrating. Now this one, they asked if I wanted to do another one. This one is called the Whispering Pines. All right, let me put it over here. The Whispering Pines. I just got it, and I'm going to be making the throw size, which is 64 by 77, okay? And I looked at the instructions. Now, the instructions are from the Fabric Hut. So Ricardo said it doesn't matter what you divulge from the pattern, because the pattern belongs to them, and I have permission to say what the pattern says, because a lot of it's like copywritten. However, I was looking at this, and if you don't buy the quilt kit, that's the whole beauty of this. There's a pre-cut quilt kit. All of the fabrics are machine die cut. Oh, it's lovely. All of the fabrics for the quilt kit, it includes the, the binding. It includes all of these beautiful greens and blue fabrics here. Oh, such a nice bunch of fabric. It includes the all of these triangles that make up this kit. Now, it was interesting because I was looking at the pattern, and it gives you the cutting instructions. Okay, and again, read all the instructions. You start with a rotary cutter, blah blah blah, and it tells you what you have to cut for these cutting your triangles. Okay, now this, I'll just pull out one of them. I don't want to get this confused. This is the one of the fabrics. Okay, pull out the pretty one. Here's a quarter of the triangle. So this is a blue and green floral. Now the kit comes pre-cut, but if you wanted to cut these, it says the quilt uses a 60-degree triangle that are 7.5 inches tall after they are cut. The most efficient and accurate way to cut triangles is with the 60-degree equilateral quilting triangle. If you do not have one available, you can use the triangle templates. Now, I think this is a very interesting, the templates, if you don't have the ruler, here is the actual template that you would transpose to either a cardboard or a template plastic. This is what the pattern includes. That's for triangle A, there's triangle B, and here is triangle C. So that's if you don't have the quilting ruler, which a lot of us wouldn't have. So the pattern includes a template, which is pretty good. I'm not doing any of that. Because this is, hello, if you've purchased the kit, which I didn't purchase, that was given to me, skip this section and start on page 2. That's funny. Do not pre-wash the pre-cut fabric. The kit contains extra pieces. Use your favorites, then use the extra pieces in a pillow or another project. So it tells you for a lap size, a throw size, a queen, or a king. It tells you all of your cutting instructions, which I'm not going to do, but I am going to be making with their blue and green fabric this pattern. I just wanted to give you a heads up. Oh, here we go. So I've never done, like I said before, I've done diamonds, but I've never done like triangle rows. So this is just sewing triangles together. The white, which is in the kit, and then the blues and the greens. So it gives you enough. It tells you for the, let's see, there's a lap. For the throw, I need 15 triangle A's per row. There's 11 rows, and it makes up a 64 by 77 inch. So you put a triangle you put a quarter triangle B, and then the white, and then the blue, and that's 15 of them across. And then, so then it tells you have an odd row and an even row down to your 11 rows. And then we just sew it together. And I'll show you when I'm going to be making the video how I'm going to be sewing the triangles together. It's awesome. And then you just sew the rows together. What I think I will be doing is I'm going to be putting up over here my flannel backed tablecloth. My little cheapo dollar store vinyl tablecloth has a flannel backing, which is awesome for sticking stuff up like a design wall. So I think what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting up a row and seeing how that looks, and I'll be videoing it, and then sewing that row together, and then just go down row by row, and then you just sew the rows together. The triangles are all going in this, the green and blue triangles are all going in the same way. Awesome. So you cut the backing fabric. This comes with backing fabric, everything, into the sections. You trim off the selvages. You sew the long side. It tells you how to do that. You finish it, and then you quilt it. And I think I will be showing you how I'm going to quilt this. I think I will do like a free motion, little swirlies, maybe. I don't know. I just opened it up, right? Let alone quilting it. But it tells you here, this is interesting, again, this is the back. This tells you exactly, if you're going to be cutting with either a ruler or your template, how many triangles you need for both your lap size, your throw size, your queen size, or a king size quilt. Tells you how much fabric, background, binding, batting, and backing that you need. It's awesome. So like a king size, you would need, say, the backing 8 yards of 42 inch or 3 1/4 yards of wide back. But I'm not doing any of that because my kit has come all pre-cut, awesome, and then it has come with the blue, sort of almost like a grunge type looking backing. Oh, it's lovely, isn't it? Everything's here except the batting. So thank you, Fabric Hut. Thank you, Ricardo, for thinking of us again. I will be making this, and then when it's all done, or the top is done, I will be selecting 2 winners, one in the United States and one international. So stay tuned again, but that's to come. I do have a few other little projects interspersed with this, but I just wanted to get this out. And again, I just wanted to thank the Fabric Hut for thinking of me and having me demonstrate their kit. So see how it comes. All right, folks, thanks ever so much. Everybody have a lovely day. It's a beautiful sunny day here. We're gonna go out and get some sunshine. So yeah, hope you're all well. Love from the Trueloves. Bye-bye.